Hi everyone, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. Welcome you to the very first episode of my series of motivational videos. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the next chapter of our life. Before talking about that, at first I'd like to give you a very good news. The channel of mine is Next Chapter BD. Well, I wish you Happy New Year 2018. How was your 2017? Was it great? I hope so. It was great. You had a very nice year 2017. So what about this year? Have you fixed your plan, what you're gonna do in this year or after 5 years? Well, before talking about that, at first I'm gonna give you an offer. Well, I'm gonna sponsor you and your family for 15 days. Wherever you want to go in the world, you can go. Right? So you must take it. So what you will do at first, you will Google it. What is the best place in the world? You may search on YouTube. You will get some videos on that. Or you can talk with your family members, friends, relatives, even with your boss and colleagues. Why? Because you want to enjoy it. Right? Once you fix the place where you want to visit, then you think about how to get there. By plane, by train, bus, or by your own car. If the place is far from your place, you may think about, well, how about going there by plane? Then you need to go to airlines for buying tickets for you and for your family members. After buying tickets, you may think about, how about buying a camera? How about buying some new clothes, dresses, pants, shirts? These are the things you may think about, right? So just now think, only for 15 days, you are giving lots of time. You're meeting some people, buying some books, then magazines to get the very best place. So what about your life? Have you ever thought of it? Where you want to see yourself after 5 years? Well, now I'm going to tell you what's my next chapter in my life. Then you will understand how to do that. At first, ask a question. What's the next chapter of my life? Then I have got the answer. After 5 years, I want to see myself as one of the best motivational trainers in the world. This is the bottom line of my life. Then I have written how to get that position. At the first point is, I need to read so many books. I have written, I will read 1 book per week. Now you have to write it down. How many books you want to read per week or per month? Well, then I have written, I will take exercise every day, take healthy food, meeting some very special and knowledgeable people. So these are the things I will do to reach my goal. So the next question is, why I want to do that? I've got the answer. The answer is, I want to be happy in the world. How? By helping others, by making others happy. So these are the things: what, how, and why. Ask these 3 questions. You will get your next chapter of your life. So do that. Please go your home and take a note, write it down. Don't think, just write it down. I have written it down. So this is your task, to written it down where you want to see yourself after 5 years. So that's it about today. Hope we had a very nice time. And till our next video, stay happy, cool, and healthy.